Welcome back to my channel, friend. The new 17 member girl group Rain Tree from Ideal 3 project produced by Yasushi Akamoto will finally debut on January 29th with their first digital single ILU. Interview with Rain Tree, produced by Yasushi Akamoto. The members of this new group are the 17 candidates who made it to the final round of the Idol 3 project audition, which began in April 2023 and did not make it in debut a white scorpion, so that the joy of their debut is great. Weekly Playboy News interviewed the forum main members of LLU, Maki, Shimoto, Areka Soto, Shukatu, and Yosuzu.